Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best charms for kids is probably one of the most delightful ways to celebrate childhood milestones or simply add a touch of sparkle to everyday life. These charming accessories come in a wide array of designs, from whimsical animals and vibrant colors to personalized letters and symbols, making them perfect for expressing individuality and creating lasting memories. Number 5. Dupamind Friendship Bracelet Kit for Girls. This kit offers a fun and creative way for kids to design their own bracelets. With colorful straps and beads, it inspires creativity and helps children create personalized friendship bracelets. The kit includes 4 adjustable strap colors: blue, purple, pink, and yellow. This allows kids to mix and match to create their ideal bracelet. It's perfect for gifting or wearing for any occasion. Each bracelet can be personalized with letter beads and icon-shaped charms. The alphabet beads and pattern charms are fully interchangeable, giving kids endless creative possibilities. They can spell their names or create friendship messages. This kit is a perfect gift for birthdays, parties, and special occasions. With its colorful designs and fun crafting experience, it's an ideal gift for girls who love to make their own accessories. It can be enjoyed solo or with friends. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, this bracelet craft kit is safe for kids. The bright, durable colors ensure a long-lasting product. Parents and kids can bond while creating bracelets together. What we like. This kit is all about creativity and personalization. It allows kids to design unique friendship bracelets. If you're looking for a gift that encourages self-expression and provides hours of fun, you should consider this one. What people say. These are so much fun to make. My daughter had a blast creating them. They are easy to make for little kids, the perfect size for them, great quality, and they turned out so cute. This bracelet kit is a great activity for 5 to 11-year-olds. It is not messy and easy to construct the bracelets. Number 4. Mr. Pen's Slime Charms, 100 Pcs Resin Charms. Want to make your slime extra special? These charms are the perfect way to do it. With a variety of cute shapes, it's easy to create unique slime masterpieces. This set includes 100 pieces in various shapes like candy, fruits, and animals. They are perfect for adding a touch of fun to your slime creations. Made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, these charms are safe for kids. You can let your children play with them without any worries. These charms aren't just for slime. Use them for hairpins, sewing projects, or to decorate accessories. They add color and fun to any craft. Working with these charms is a great activity for kids. It helps them develop creativity and imagination while having fun. It's a win-win. These charms are great decorations and prizes. They add excitement and interactivity to any party or event. They are sure to be a hit. What we like. These charms are perfect for adding a touch of fun to slime creations. With a wide variety of cute shapes, it's easy to create unique slime masterpieces. If you like to make your slime more exciting and cute, you should choose this one. What people say. I love these charms. They are so cute and perfect for my daughter's bracelet. The charms are well made and the colors are vibrant. These charms are a great way to add a personal touch to a bracelet. Number 3. Wang 60 Pcs Enamel Fruit Charms. These vibrant enamel charms are perfect for adding a touch of fun to your jewelry. They feature a variety of fruit designs, making them ideal for necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. The set includes a delightful mix of fruits like pineapple, cherry, apple, banana, watermelon, and grape. Each charm is carefully crafted with enamel, ensuring a beautiful and long-lasting finish. Get creative and design your own unique jewelry pieces. These charms are perfect for DIY projects, allowing you to personalize your accessories and express your style. Made with quality materials, these charms are durable and designed to withstand daily wear. The enamel coating adds a layer of protection, keeping them looking great for a long time. Whether you're a seasoned jewelry maker or just starting out, these charms are a great addition to your craft supplies. They're easy to use and can be combined with other beads and findings. What we like. These charms are perfect for adding a touch of fun to jewelry creations. With a wide variety of fruit shapes, it's easy to create unique necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. If you are looking for a gift that encourages creativity and provides hours of fun, you should consider this one. What people say. The colors and quality really make them pop. Cute. As pictured. Number 2. Mckanti 150 PCS Bracelet Charms for Jewelry Making. This set includes 150 pieces of charms, featuring Tibetan silver, colorful gold enamel, and KC gold options. They are perfect for creating unique DIY crafts and personalized jewelry. These enamel charms are made from zinc alloy, ensuring bright colors and durability. They are safe for skin and come in various sizes, allowing for easy customization of charm bracelets. The designs include stars, moons, animals, and more. It allows you to personalize and showcase your bracelet with a variety of themes and shapes. These charms are suitable for necklaces, earrings, bracelets, keychains, and more. It's a great way to express your creativity and personal style. The set comes with a storage case to prevent loss. These charm bracelets allow you to express your personality and add visual interest to any outfit. Discover the perfect charms for a personalized look. What we like. This set offers a wide variety of charms for jewelry making. The charms are made from zinc alloy, ensuring they are bright and long-lasting. If you are looking for a way to create personalized jewelry, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The charms are very cute and well made. The charms are perfect for bracelets and necklaces. The charms are a great size and easy to put on. Number 1. Mr. Pen Charms, 30-50-60 PCS PVC Decorations. Introducing these delightful charms from Mr. Pen. They're perfect for adding a personal touch to your belongings. With various designs, it's easy to express yourself. Choose from sets of 30, 50, or 60 pieces. This gives you plenty of options to decorate your items. You can mix and match to create unique combinations. Made from durable PVC, these charms are designed to last. They can withstand daily wear and tear. This ensures that your decorations stay looking great. Each set contains a random assortment of charms. This adds an element of surprise to your purchase. You'll love discovering the different designs. These charms are ideal for decorating various items. Use them on shoes, bags, or anything else you can think of. It's a fun and easy way to personalize your belongings. What we like. These charms are perfect for adding a touch of fun to any project. With a wide variety of random designs, it's easy to create unique decorations. If you like to decorate your items with fun and colorful charms, you should choose this one. What people say. I bought these charms for my daughter's bracelet and she absolutely loves them. The charms are very cute and well made. The charms are a great size and fit perfectly on her bracelet. The charms are very detailed and colorful, making them visually appealing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.